In order to remove people from photos on the Samsung Galaxy S26, you can open the gallery, and then we're gonna choose the photo that we want to edit. And if you just want to remove people, then you can try to use these stars that we have at the bottom of the screen in order to immediately open the AI editing tool. And what you can do is you can try to use this icon that we have, like a dot circle with the eraser. So if you have it available in here, you can tap in order to immediately select people in the background, and then you can use the eraser button to try to get rid of all the highlighted people. So they should be highlighted over here. We can tap on generate, and now just wait for the result. And there we go. This is before and after. Of course, there are some things left after. So what we can do is we can of course try to select some more stuff that is available in here. So as you can see, I can also select this. I can also select probably this leg that is in here hidden if I can. Maybe I will not be able to do so. But still, of course, you can still try to make some further adjustments in order to get rid of all of the people. So I can also select this here. Let's see if I can try to select this part in here. Yes, I can. There we go. There are some leftover parts in here as well, but we can just generate, of course, afterwards once you are done with all these details having selected. And there we go. So I think it looks slightly better. There are some parts left just like before, but of course we can save as copy. And if you want to, you can keep going. And by the way, what you can also do is you can tap on this pen icon that we have in the bottom left side of the phone. Here we can find the same tool, the generative edit. And also, if you tap on these 4 circles on the right side, then we also have the object eraser, which is pretty much the same thing, but you might have more success with this instead. So we can try to select all of this stuff, and let's see if it's going to look slightly better. So I'm trying to select everything that was left over, and let's tap on erase now. There we go. It was pretty much instant. I think it looks slightly worse compared to the generative edit, but of course it's up to you to decide which one you like the most. There we go. So we have the object remover that I just used and the generative edit that I used at first. I think this one is in a slightly better quality. So that's about it. Leave a like and subscribe.